This is Mark back reporting on the snowstorm in the northeast. We have heavy snow here in northeast Towson, Maryland, around the Ryderwood, Bruxton area. I got what looks like about 18 to 20 inches of snowfall. Look at this fall on the leaves, and it's really quite deep here. You notice the snow drifts and the bank, and it's pretty cold, and we're going to do the best we can, get out our snow shovels and snow blowers to work through this. I don't know how long it's going to last. Best of luck to everybody. And hope you guys get through this.